In this video, we'll look at making tax digital for VAT. If you're not already connected to HMRC, this screen will appear and it just prompts you to enter in your VAT number and also to select the VAT scheme that you're currently using. Once you've done that, you click on the Connect button, which takes you to the HMRC website. And it's prompting me, do you want to let the Federation of Small Business Making Tax Digital app change your VAT information and view your VAT information? This is standard for all Making Tax Digital products. So I click on Continue. Then I sign into the government gateway. Then I'll need to input my user information. So just a quick note on this screen. It's really important that you enter in the correct government gateway ID and password that have access to your actual VAT account. So I'm just going to continue and log in. Once you've successfully logged in, HMRC will ask you to give our app permission to interact with your VAT account, and all you've got to do is click permission. Once you've successfully connected the app to your HMRC account, it will extract all of the VAT quarters and even historic quarters where you've made submissions, potentially using other software products. So it'll pull down all of the history and then you're ready to make a submission. We have two options for making a submission. We can either use the bridging feature, which is where we can load an Excel spreadsheet, or we can use the record keeping, i.e. the invoices and expense tracking system within Rhino to automatically populate the 9 boxes. And we'll cover all of this on another video.